I know you're in a hurry, so let me tell you about Murray. He comes from Missouri and he always likes to scurry around. Woo, come on! Murray's skin is furry and his eyesight is blurry, but don't you worry none, cause he's the coolest mouse in town. Murray is a trumpet playing mouse. On those hot St. Louis nights, he brings down the house. Your favorite hero Curry, as his notes come in a flurry, is Murray Malone, Missouri's own trumpet playing mouse. Man, it's really something when the beat starts a thumping and Murray starts jumping and his trumpet starts trumping on stage. The cats and the dogs, the fireflies and the frogs, even the hogs, they agree that Murray is the rage. Woo! Murray is a trumpet playing mouse. On those hot St. Louis nights, he brings down the house. Your favorite hero Curry, as his notes come in a flurry, is Murray Malone, Missouri's own trumpet playing mouse. Now do the doom, battle brr, battle diddle doom, go battle brr, battle beaming up, burning, battle brr, battle brr, battle 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 burning, yeah. Murray is a trumpet playing mouse. Down the house. Your favorite hero Curry, as his notes come in a flurry, is Murray Malone, Missouri's own trumpet playing mouse. Let me tell you about it. Well, the bass sounds like thunder and the piano man's a wonder. He never makes a blunder and we're all going under his spell.